Welcome to my channel. How to fix Deco flashing red light. Check power connection, ensure the Deco is properly plugged in and the power outlet is working. Inspect internet connection, verify the modem is online and connected to the main Deco via the Ethernet cable. Restart the Deco unit, power off the Deco, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on to refresh the system. Check cables, ensure all cables, Ethernet and power, are securely connected and not damaged. Reposition the Deco, move the Deco closer to the modem or other Deco units to improve connectivity. Restart your modem, power off the modem for 30 seconds and turn it back on to resolve modem-related issues. Reconfigure the Deco, open the Deco app, follow the setup process to re-establish the connection. Update firmware, in the Deco app, check for firmware updates and install the latest version. Reset the Deco, hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the light blinks yellow, then reconfigure via the app. Thank you for watching.